You guys will notice we just took a few other things off. We took the window bars off. We took a little bit more of the decking off that was left there. The reason why is because tonight we got a little midweek garage action this evening, and we're going to replace this bent T-bar here. We've got a piece cut. It's
76 inches.
76 inches, 3/4 inch tubing, and it's just it's just about a 16th thick as far as the wall diameter. It's just about a 16th there. We're going to chop it off right here at the top. That's going to keep our pins in for our hood, and probably going to cut this support off that we welded in last year when we had to pin this back up from an accident. We're just going to chop all this off. We're going to lay this new piece up here, make sure we got our measurements right, and burn it in, and then we'll get our tabs put on there accordingly. Stick around. We're going to make it happen. While Drew and I get everything measured up, if you've enjoyed our videos, please make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. We enjoy everyone's feedback. Thanks for watching. Just for giggles here, let's take a measurement from here to here, in case we cut a little too much off and we have to space it up. Just to say we got it down there. Got all the welds cut. Everything's free and loose. We'll keep this to mock up where our tabs go, just in case we need some visual. We're going to go ahead and get our new piece lined up here to get welded on.
And you go 22 and a half. You've got it way towards you. 1.5 inches. Oh. Now we're 3/16 lower. How else would you make the material up? Set a little plate under it.
Yeah, you could do that.
Kind of like a little 1x1 square or whatever this is, 3/4.
When we cut this side, we came up a little short when we measured up. So we cut us a little sliver off to space this out, to compensate out for the areas that we cut down. That way everything's going to line up just like it's supposed to. So we're going to measure everything up, get it ready to rock and roll.
I think you need to tack this side. Just give it a little buzz, and then we'll hit this side. Door bar bracket we forgot.
Yeah. Oh.
Yep, watch it mellow.
That one. Probably burn it too.
Here's the tabs we put on there. Opted for the sliders for when we do a little rubbing, racing. Added this tab here so we can go from here down to here for an extra little kicker for some support. Got our other bar here, slider, and then the body tab on the side. There you are. Hello. I see you in the corner.
What's that?
I see you in the corner.
See me in the corner. I think that's a major improvement from the S-curve bar that used to be there.
Mm-hmm.
All right, thanks everybody for watching. We're gonna call this one a wrap. Give you one more good look all the way around at the project we did tonight. Thanks everybody for staying tuned and watching all of our video clips.